everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your BitMart ID. To find your BitMart ID, first of all, you'll need to launch open the BitMart app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. From the home page of BitMart, go to the top left corner and tap on the menu button. From the expanded menu, you'll see your ID at the very top underneath your email. Tap on it to copy your ID. You can use this ID for future use. It's often required when contacting BitMart support or making certain transactions. You must treat your unique ID or your user ID like sensitive information, so don't share it publicly. Finding your BitMart ID is quick and straightforward. By checking your profile, you'll be able to find it immediately. So that's how easy it is to find your user ID in BitMart. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again with more tutorials like this. Stay tuned till then.